The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is anticipated to be unveiled in July 2025 during Samsung's Unpacked event, continuing the company's tradition of summer foldable releases. This next-generation foldable is expected to feature significant upgrades over its predecessor, including a larger 8-inch internal LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 6.5-inch external display, both boasting enhanced brightness levels. Under the hood, the device is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, coupled with 12 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. The camera system is set to receive a substantial boost, with a 200MP main sensor, a 10MP telephoto lens, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and improved under-display camera technology. Battery life is expected to be supported by a 4,400 mAh battery with 25W fast charging capabilities. Design-wise, the Z Fold 7 is anticipated to be thinner and lighter than its predecessor, with a thickness of 4.5 mm when unfolded, making it one of the slimmest foldable devices available. Pricing is speculated to start around $1,999, reflecting the premium features and innovations integrated into the device.